My screen is visible, right, Michelle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in our last lab, we discussed about first three tasks. Third, we discuss or we need to discuss it today. First two we had already discussed how to go for the masking. First ORA, XRA, CMA, complement accumulator. We did this whole task or we need to do it?
From
Shifting?
third, we have to start.
Yes. Okay. So student, in our last lab as well as in lecture also we discuss instruction related to rotation, where we have a provision to shift our content of accumulator towards left or right with and without carry. Right, we checked if we'll rotate accumulator left or right, we can multiply and divide it by 2. Whatever the content can be, it can be multiplied or divided by 2 by shifting left or right, right? So that we discussed in our last, just to give you idea about this um, opcode. I'm sharing this slide one more time. Otherwise, how this instruction will work that we'd already discussed, right? RAL basically used to rotate the content of accumulator left by considering carry. So as we discussed that once you will write the content of, once you will rotate the content of accumulator left with carry, your D7 bit will move to carry bit and your carry bit will move to D0 bit, right? So just try to understand this RAL, note it down, right? Our next two tasks is based upon this only. RAL is basically used to rotate the content of accumulator left with carry. Well, it will consider the next instruction, that is nothing but the RAR, where it will again rotate the content of accumulator right with carry. RAL was left, RAR is rotation of content of accumulator right with carry. So ultimately, your carry bit will be moved to D7, D7 to D6, D4, D3, and so on. D0 will be moved to carry, carry will move to the D7. We had already discussed this in our class also, right? RAR. So I hope this is clear. RLC is basically used to rotate the content of accumulator left, but here we will not consider, will not rotate the flag register, right? Carry will not rotate. Simply your D7 bit will go to D0 bit, D0 to D1, D2, D3, and so on. Here we are not considering the condition of carry. Obviously, your D7 bit will go to carry as well as D0, but carry will not rotate. Are you getting me, student? Carry will not go anywhere. Carry bit will remain as it is. It will be modified with D7 bit, but only D7 bit will go to D0 bit. Are you getting me? Right? So that is about RLC. RLC, again, we are rotating the content of accumulator, right? But here also we are not considering the condition of carry. So whatever your carry bit will be, it will be modified with D0 bit. Your carry bit will remain as it is. It will not go to D7 bit. D0 bit will go to D7 bit. So four instruction, based upon this four instruction, our next two tasks is any doubt here in this four instruction? Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Correct. Correct. So just I'm pasting the code task related to first part of today's lab. That is, we want to write a code which will shift the data right. The data is obviously of 8 bit. We want to shift it right by 4 bit. Assume our data is in register C. Now, can anyone tell me? Suppose if I write the rotate instruction once, it will rotate by how many bits? अगर आप एक बार रोटेशन इंस्ट्रक्शन लिख रहे हो, इट विल रोटेट योर कंटेंट बाय हाउ मेनी बिट्स? Yes, it will rotate the content of, suppose Michelle, you are writing RLC for example, right? आप rotation instruction लिख रहे हो, तो that will rotate the content with how many bits? लेफ्ट साइड या राइट साइड आप जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन लिख रहे हो, तो कितने बिट वो शिफ्ट करेगा? आनंद, जय, साक्षी, are you getting my point, students? What I am asking, Michelle?
Yes, ma'am. 8 bits.
Data is of 8 bit. If you are writing rotation instruction, just try to understand. Here, what I am asking is about rotation. Whenever you will rotate, it will shift by how many bits? That is my question. For example, screen is visible, right? Suppose if you are writing RLC, if you will write RLC, तो ये कितने बिट से शिफ्ट हो रहा है? ये D7 है. Am I audible, student? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
करेक्ट. सपोज ये आपका आरएलसी है, दैट इज रोटेशन ऑफ अक्यूमुलेटर लेफ्ट. तो आपका ये कितने कितने बिट रोटेट हो रहा है, कितने बिट शिफ्ट हो रहा है? इफ आई राइट आरएलसी, ये D7 आपका D0 में गया, D0 D1 D2 D3, तो कितने बिट शिफ्ट हुआ? इसको कितने बिट शिफ्ट बोलते हैं?
1 bit.
One bit shift, right? So why we are taking so much time? So whenever you will write any rotation related instruction, you will always rotate by how many bits? One bit. So that way you want to shift your data by 4 bit. Are you getting me, student? आपको कितने bit shift करना है? 4 bit. So you need to write rotation instruction how many times? Yes, Mehfooz? You need to write rotation instruction how many times if you want to rotate it by 4 bit then?
4 times.
Yes, correct. You need to write 4 times, right? So take any data in register C, rotate it 4 times, and final store your result in register C. Okay, just do it and let me know in case of any doubt. Sakshi, are you getting? Sakshi? Okay. Can we do this, students? Shubham? Shubham? Mishal? You need,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to take first data, then you will rotate it, and then you need to store your result. Initial data भी आपको C में लेना है, and final result भी you need to store in register C. Make sure, student, you will use the instruction related to rotation without carry. Right? आप right और left दोनों में से कोई सा भी instruction use कर लो, will make no difference, but without carry you will use. Right? Just try it. Ronak, done? Sakshi, Shubham, Shan, Janish, Anand. Are you getting what we want to do is first take the data in register, see, then for the rotation we all know that where data should be, you need to write any rotation related instruction 4 times because we want to shift it by 4 bit. Now here it is given right, that means you have two instruction in option with carry and without carry. दो इंस्ट्रक्शन है हमारे पास राइट शिफ्टिंग के लिए. हियर यू विल यूज the rotation instruction without carry, and finally you will store your data result in register C. Done, Ronak? Mishal? Jay? Okay. So what is your result, Jay, after executing this? Have you got your result 91? 80. So you have executed previous code 19 wala, yeah, this 08 wala code for to give you 80 result. Jay, unmute and talk.
Ma'am, 08 wala code.
Yes, so correct. So for that it is correct, right? Okay. Can you share your screen, Jay? Correct. Okay, assemble it. It's assembled. Execute it. Go forward. Yes, go forward. Mhm. Correct. No? Okay. You can stop. Yes. Ronak, done. Mishal, very good. Jay. Mishal, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen? Sakshi, done. Anand, Parth, Shubham is not giving any answer. Correct. So your result is 9, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Now, can anyone tell me what is the conclusion of this program? मिशाल, आपने नंबर लिया था 90, राइट? एंड योर रिजल्ट इज 09.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Before that, जय ने नंबर लिया था 80 08 and his result was 80. So what is the conclusion? Can anyone comment on the result? एक ने नंबर लिया था 08 and that number becomes 80. एक ने नंबर लिया था 90 and that numbers become 09. What is your comment about this result? Yes.
पीछे के 8 बिट नंबर आगे चले जाते हैं, बस मूव कर रहे हैं उसको.
Yes. So 8 bit नहीं 4 bit, right? Your nibble is exchange. 08 is your 8 bit data, right? 08 is your 8 bit data, and that out of 08 only 8 is exchange. Same way 90 is your result and you are able to exchange your nibble. Are you getting this, student? So whenever you want to exchange your nibbles, if you rotate it 4 times, easily you can exchange the nibbles, right? अभी तक आपने कहीं पे भी with any instruction we cannot exchange the nibbles. But if you rotate your content 4 times, you are in a position to rotate, you are in a position to exchange your nibbles, right? इसका benefit कहाँ पे होगा? Suppose if I have a data like 89, I am able to separate 80 and 09 out of this. If I want to convert this 80 into 08, what I need to do is I need to rotate it 4 times. Are you getting me, student? Right? So this particular instruction, this particular logic will give you a chance or give you a provision to exchange your neighbors, right? I hope I'm clear with this discussion. Right, Michelle? Joy? Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
getting right? Okay. So your code is correct. Only you want to shift your content by 4 times. So if you shift your content 4 times, here will make no difference whether you will rotate left or right. Anyway, यहाँ पे आपको टास्क में दिया गया था कि you need to rotate right. That's why we are using RRC. Even if you will use without carry rotation left, then also it will work. You can shift your nipples, right, through left as well. But here, because in task it was given that we want to shift right, that's why we are using RRC. So any doubt in this task, anyone? Is it clear to everyone? How many of you are clear with this discussion? Task 3, raise your hand. Okay. 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 What about this Rahul, Ronak, Roshi, Parth, Prachi? Are you getting, students? Faisal, Penil? Yes? Shan? Okay. So now if you check for the next task, that is again rotation, but instead of 8 bit, we want to rotate the content by we want to take the content that is of 16 bit, right? Michelle, can you share your screen one more time with previous code? We want to conclude one more thing here in task 3, that we are using RRC instruction, right? Remove 3 RRC, only keep 1 RRC. Okay, you are taking the data 90, उसकी जगह पे कोई डेटा ले लो, let's say for example 08 ले लो, right? Correct. Now assemble it. We are rotating right, student. Okay, go ahead. 8 is our data and our result is, yes, move ahead. Just direct go to result. Okay. What is the result? 4. Okay. Just rotate, assemble it one more time by taking the data 4. Yes. Okay. So what is your conclusion, Vishal? Our previous data was 8. We are rotating it once right side, then it will become 4. Now it is 2. What is your conclusion? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? कौन सा ऑपरेशन हो रहा है? Mishal, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What do you think? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? आपने 8 लिया था, 8
सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है.
सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है. ध्यान से सोचो. आपने 8 लिया था, वो 4 हो गया. If we are rotating it once, 4 लिया था तो 2 हो गया. You are rotating it once. So what is your conclusion? Yes. सब्ट्रैक्शन से ऐसा होता है 8 में से. Yes. Okay. So take, in that case, take the data like 5. 4 तो लिया हमने ऑलरेडी. 5 मत लो, कोई भी इवन नंबर ले लो. इवन नंबर 6 ले लो. यस. कैन यू गेस अभी रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? 3. आपने एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया. तो आप सोच रहे हो क्या हो रहा है? यस साक्षी, कैन यू टेल अस? You raised your hand, Sakshi. Yes. Good, Anand. Whenever you will rotate it by once, Vishal, you are able to divide it by 2. So जो आपने 8 लिया था, you had rotated it once, so it will become 4. Right?
Yes.
आपने 4 लिया था, your result was 2, right? So it was divided by 2. So every time whenever you are shifting towards right, your data will become, now keep it as it is. Instead of RRC, आप RLC करो. अभी क्या डेटा लिया? 8 लिया है, राइट? 8 की जगह कौन सा डेटा लिया अभी, राइट? व्हाट इज द डेटा? 10 की जगह पे आप ले लो 2. Any data you can take, but we want to conclude something, that's why. Yes, assemble it. Run. 2 डेटा था हमारा, वो 4 हो गया. टेक 4. Okay.
It is multiplying by 2.
Right. So whenever you are shifting your content of accumulator right side, you are able to divide it by 2. Are you getting me, student? But if you rotate it left, you are able to multiply it by 2, right? So even if we don't have a multiplication division related instruction, by using rotation always we have provision to multiply or divide by 2 with the content, right? But only you need to make sure your number must be even number, because you are able to multiply here or divide here by 2 only. Are you getting the point, student? जब भी आप data consider कर रहे हो, yes, you can stop your sharing now. So whenever you will take the data, right, you want to multiply it or divide it by 2, every time you can go with the rotation related instruction. Are you getting me, student? Any doubt here in this? Janish, is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now we want to shift the number. We want to rotate the number, but instead of number, which is 8-bit, in earlier case it was 8-bit data. Now instead of that, we want to take a 16-bit data. You can check into your chat box where I that code where I test that task. We want to shift the data left side by 1 bit only, but make sure instead of 8-bit data, we are taking a 16-bit data. So we are taking the data in registered, not possible, right? So instead of registered, you need to use a register pair. So load data in your register pair. Any of the register pair you can use for the loading your data. Then you have a 16-bit data available into your register pair. Then you will rotate it and write a equivalent code for that. Make sure you only want to shift that is 1 bit. So accordingly, you need to proceed. Right. Again, you need to store your result into a register pair because accumulator cannot hold a 16-bit data. Just try for this, and once done, paste your code here. Can we do this, Michelle? Chai, Ronak, Janish, Anand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try. Done? Yes. Janish, Chai, Michelle, doing?
Yes, ma'am. Doing.
Ronak, done? Chai? What happened? Vishal done. Jai, Shubham, Janish. Take number in 16-bit. Take 16-bit number in any register pair. Out of this 16-bit number, transfer 8-bit data in accumulator, rotate it, load again in another register, take remaining number into accumulator, rotate it, and store. Simple. Prachi, Anand, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Those who done with, paste your code here. Mishal, still not done? Mishal, Jai, Ronak. Okay. Where, what happened? Are you facing any difficulty? क्या किया आपने? Mishal, what you did?
1 minute more.
Okay. Jai, done with the code? See student, आपको सिर्फ what you only need to do is take data in any register pair which is 8 plus 8 16-bit data you have. Now we know direct register pair cannot be rotated, so we'll individually will transfer the content of registers in accumulator. We will rotate it, right? Okay. Just do it. Shrenik, done. Those who done with can present their code here. First, put your code in chat box, and then we will. Okay, Anand, can you share your screen, Anand? Anand, share your screen. Correct, Roshi. So your answer is 40 and 60, Roshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Good. Done. Can you share your screen?
Visible, ma'am.
Yeah, it's visible. Assemble it one more time and execute it, right? Students, you can check. As we discussed, that 20 and 30 is a 16-bit number that we want to rotate. Initially, we transfer L into the content of L into accumulator. Here will make no difference whether you will first rotate your H or L, right? Okay. Okay, good. Go ahead. Correct. So your answer must be 20 and 40 and 60 that you are storing BCP. Very good, Roshi. Done. Good. Right? Okay. Mishal, done with your code? Joy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you share your screen? Take any other number. You are taking 20 and 01, right? So it should be 40 and 02.
Yes, ma'am.
Assemble it. Okay, execute it. Yes, 40 and 02. Correct. DE pair. Very good. Done. So student, one thing should be clear to us that whenever we are rotating the content, done, Michelle. Okay, any student, any doubt here? Is it clear to everyone? Now student, try to understand whenever you are rotating the content, whenever you are whenever you are rotating the content, you need to take your content in accumulator first, right? So whenever you are dealing with 16-bit numbers, the number you need to take first in register pair, then individually from register to accumulator, you can transfer, you can rotate and you can store. Take another number, rotate it, take another number, first shift it to the accumulator, then rotate, and then again you can store anywhere you want, right? So like that way, see, if you remember the same concept we had used in addition and subtraction, where we took 16-bit data, right? So whenever you are performing a 16-bit operation with 8085 microprocessor, you always need to do एडिशन में तो हमारे पास डायरेक्टली डीएडी इंस्ट्रक्शन था, तो साइमल्टेनियसली वी कैन ऑपरेट ऑन अ 16 बिट नंबर, बट वी नो कि इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी कैन यूज एडीडी एंड एडीसी आल्सो, लाइक एसयूबी एंड एसवीबी आल्सो, राइट? सो 8 बिट को हम लोग सेपरेट करके वी ऑलवेज कैन परफॉर्म अ 16 बिट ऑपरेशन. हियर आल्सो वी डिड सेम. We took the number which is 16-bit number, we had separated it into 8-bit, and then we will rotate it, we'll store it, right? Any doubt, anyone? Margi? Janish is not active today. Shubham is not active today. So what happened? Are you doing, students? Right? Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? If you any thing is not clear to you, just ask. Otherwise, we'll move forward. Any doubt here in task number 1, 2, 3, and 4? Anyone? Yes or no? Is it clear to everyone, these 4 tasks? See, first 2 tasks were already performed in our last lab. Today we had discussed task number 3 and 4. Any doubt with this? Anyone? So with this, we are okay. With this, we had completed our experiment number 4. By today, I'll upload this experiment. I'll create this assignment for experiment 4. Make sure you will upload it within 2 days. 2-3 days time will be there. You have to check and you will upload it within 2 days, right? Any doubt in this? Any out of this? Any 4 tasks? Any doubt, anyone? Procedure will remain same for the uploading. All of you may have this document in your student lab manual. You need to separate this experiment number 4 you will write this equivalent code here along with memory location, instruction and hex code, and at last you will write a equivalent conclusion for that, right? So I hope this discussion is clear. Now, okay. Now students, with this logical group, there are so many times it can be asked to mask nibbles, to exchange the nibbles. Now, if you remember in our previous lab, we had performed we had performed the task number 2, where we took the data, try to understand it very clearly. We took this kind of data, we had separated nibbles, right, by ending operation. So ये मेरे पास 52 है and 36 है. I can separate 50 and 02. I can separate 30 and 06. Try to understand it very clearly. हम लोग ने टास्क 2 में ये चीज किया है कि where we had separated the nibbles, right? हमने यहाँ पे we had separated the nibbles, masked the higher order bits, right? So we know how to separate the nibbles. If you remember, we had checked, we had exchanged this lower nibble also. Yes or no? तो मैंने 52 और 36 यहाँ पे डेटा लिया था. So that will become 56 and 32. What I did is I'd exchange my lower nibbles. Are you getting me, student? What I am discussing? Are you getting me, student? Are you following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? In our last lecture, in our last lab, we discussed the code related to this thing, how to exchange the nibbles. It can be exchange of higher nibbles, it can be exchange of lower nibbles. So if we closely observe this group of instruction, here we had discussed, or here we had learned 2-3 important things. One is masking of nibbles. Second thing is combining by ORing operation. Third thing, obviously complement and all these things we had discussed. Comparison right now we are not using. And third thing that is very important, that is exchange of nibbles. If I'll say masking of nibbles, if I'll say exchanging of nibbles, try to understand it very closely. What is the difference? Suppose if I'll say I'm having a 52 as a number, मेरे पास 52 number है. If I'm masking my lower nibble, what my data will become? गिव द आंसर. अगर मेरे पास 52 नंबर है, उसमें मैं लोअर निबल को मास्क कर रही हूँ, दैट मीन्स माय नंबर विल बिकम if I have a 52 number in my register, I'll mask my lower nibbles, so the remaining number is make it fast, student. 50. Yes. So you unmute and talk. Okay. Suppose if I'll say I'm having a 52 as a number, I'm masking my higher nibble, then my number will become same number I'm having. Now I'm masking my higher nibble. My higher order.
02.
Correct. It will become 02. So how to separate lower nibble and higher nibble from the given data byte, that is clear to all of us. Is it clear to everyone, student? How to separate your lower nibbles and higher nibble from the given data byte, that should be clear to everyone. Is it clear to everyone? Right? Now same way, if I'm having a 36 as a content, right, I want to separate lower nibble and higher nibble, it will become 30 and 06. Are you getting me? If I separate higher nibble and lower nibble, it will become 30 and 06. 52 में से lower और higher nibble को separate किए, it will become 50 and 02. Now if I'll tell you that एक्सचेंज योर निबल्स, मतलब मैं लोअर निबल को एक्सचेंज कर रही हूँ तो ये 6 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा और ये 2 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा. इफ यू रिमेंबर इन आवर लास्ट क्लास वी डिड द सेम. So my number will become 56 and 32. I'm exchanging my lower nibble after separation. After separating 50 and 02, 30 and 06, I will perform an ORing operation and that will be ultimately give me this number. Same way I can exchange my higher nibble too. So if I'll exchange my higher nibble, my data will become 32 and 56 same. Right? So lower nibble and higher nibble anytime you can exchange. Now try to understand what we want to do today. If you are able to do this program, you can perform any program, you can do any program regarding this group. So try to understand it very clearly. Suppose if I am having a data 98 and 23, for example, these two data I have, 98 and 23. Now, instead of exchanging lower nibble or higher nibble, I want to exchange the nibble in this cross. मुझे ये क्रॉस निबल को एक्सचेंज करना है, मतलब 9 शुड बी एक्सचेंज विथ 3 and 3 should be exchanged with 9. Are you getting me, student? Instead of exchanging lower nibble or higher nibble, what I want to do? I want to exchange my nibbles. Higher order of this data should be exchanged with lower nibble of this. Lower nibble of this data must be exchanged with higher nibble of this. So at last my data should be, what do you think? After exchanging in cross, मेरा डेटा क्या हो जाना चाहिए? What is my result? अगर आप इसको क्रॉस में एक्सचेंज करोगे तो आपका डेटा क्या हो जाएगा? Students, if I'll exchange this nibble
93.
Correct.
98.
93, 3 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा, 9 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. So what my data will be?
38.
Correct. So it will become 38 and 29. Right? It will become 38 and 29. समझ रहे हो? ये 9 यहाँ से यहाँ पे आ गया और ये 3 यहाँ से यहाँ पे चला गया. Right? So it will not be 28 and 29. It will become 38 and 29. Joy, are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that what we want to do today. Try to understand how to do this. Suppose my screen is visible, right? Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Suppose if I'm taking the data, why I'm not able to write? 98 and 23, right? Suppose if this two data I have, what I can do is, पहले तो एम समझना चाहिए कि what we want to do. 98 and 23 is my data. I want to keep this two as it is. I want to exchange this two. So after execution of my program, my data must be 38 and 29. Are you getting me, student? प्रीवियस केस में क्या हो रहा था कि हम लोग यहाँ से यहाँ पे एक्सचेंज कर रहे थे. वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग द प्लेस. यहाँ पे 3 है तो उसको मुझे 30 करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे 90 होगा सेपरेशन, दैट आई हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू 09. सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डू दिस. 98 मेरे पास है. आई कैन सेपरेट हायर निबल एंड लोअर निबल बाय परफॉर्मिंग एंड ending operation with 0f and f0. Are you getting me, student? यहाँ पे ये दो डेटा सेपरेट हो गया 98 में से. सेम वे विल सेपरेट 20 and 03 by performing. यहाँ पे सही लिखा है 0f and f0. Is it correct, student? यहाँ पे ये सही लिखा है.
F0.
Am I audible? Yes, सही लिखा है.
No, पहला F0 और बच्ची 0F आना.
Yes. यहाँ पे this should be f0 and here it should be 0f. Correct. Same way here we need to perform f0 ending operation with f0 and 0f. Now suppose student अगर मुझे ये 93 और 28 करना होता तो what I'll do is 90 should be combined with 3 and 20 should be combined with 8. Easily I can do this, right, by simply performing an OR operation. But what we want to do is we want to exchange this nibble. तो यहाँ पे 90 में से मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? 90 को किस में करना पड़ेगा? कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा 09 में. आर यू गेटिंग मी स्टूडेंट? सेम वे यहाँ पे 3 को मुझे किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा? 30 में, राइट. नाउ हाउ टू एक्सचेंज दिस निबल दैट इज नोन टू यू. अभी हमने टास्क नंबर 3 में किया हाउ टू एक्सचेंज द निबल्स, राइट. देखो नो 90 में से 9 करना है, 30 में से 3 में से 30 करना है, राइट. Now whatever 9 I have, 20 I have, I'll combine this two. So that will give me 29. Now I have a 30 and 08. So I'll combine this two. Are you getting my point, student? So we'll perform an ORing operation of this two and we'll perform ORing operation on this two. Are you getting the point, student? निबल एक्सचेंज करोगे जब आप हायर ऑर्डर का हायर ऑर्डर से एक्सचेंज कर रहे हो, लोअर ऑर्डर का लोअर ऑर्डर से निबल एक्सचेंज कर रहे हो, इट विल बी अप टू दिस पॉइंट ओनली. योर प्रोग्राम विल बी अप टू आफ्टर सेपरेशन डायरेक्टली यू नीड टू कंबाइन. अगर मुझे इसमें से 28 और 93 करना हो, 28 if I'll exchange this nibble 28 and 93, so easily I can do from this. But here I want to exchange my nibbles in cross. So I had separated. यहाँ से मुझे एक क्रॉस में एक्सचेंज करना है तो मेरे पास 90 सेपरेट हुआ है तो उसको पहले मुझे 9 में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे 03 I had separated, so I have to convert it into 30 and then I can combine. So along with the previous code, you need to add one more logic, and that is regarding or exchange of nibbles, right? So I hope you can understand. Any doubt here what to do? Is it clear to everyone, student? Are you getting the point? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can we do this? Can we try for this?
Yes, ma'am.
करेक्ट. पहले तो क्या करना है रौनक, पता चल रहा है? कैन यू रिपीट इट वंस रौनक? व्हाट वी वांट टू डू? रौनक, आर यू गेटिंग माय वॉइस? ओके, रुषि, हैव यू गॉट द पॉइंट? यस और नो? करेक्ट. Got the point, Roshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Jai? Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Can we try for this? Okay, just try to do this. पहले तो आप 90, you just take any data, उसमें से हायर निबल और लोअर निबल को सेपरेट कर लो. Then I'll guide you how to combine, right? Just do it. This program this particular code is related, it combine 4 tasks into one. आपने जो 4 डिफरेंट टास्क किए इन एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4, वो सारे टास्क को कंबाइन करके एक कोड बनाए, राइट? Students, separated your nibbles. Mishal, Rushi, Joy, and Raj. Yes or no? Students, Rushi, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, just separate your nibbles. Suppose 30, your number is 98 and 23. Separate 90 and 08. 23 में से 20 और 03 को separate करो. Right? Just separate it and then let me know what you are doing next. Mishal, done? Joy? Ronak? शुभम, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. Only at the time of attendance you will respond. Right? Are you there? Shan, Sakshi, are you doing? Sakshi? What you did, Shubham? Okay, Rushi, can you tell me कि suppose 98 में से 90 और 08 को सेपरेट करोगे तो किससे एंडिंग ऑपरेशन करोगे? You will perform masking operation. Yes, please go ahead. Yes, discuss.
Repeat the question.
98 में से if I want to separate 90 and 08, I need to perform ending operation, right?
Yes,
So what do you think? With which number I need to end?
F0.
Correct. Right? So have you separated your numbers? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Correct. Jai, you had perform an ending operation. Okay, so what is your data, Jai? 8E and F7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And after execution, your data must be 7E and F8.
Yes.
Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just share your screen and check here. Share your screen. Seven.
Ma'am, answer are in register H and L.
So the answer is
7E and F8.
7E and F8. No. Your answer must be 7E and F8. Yes, correct. It is F8. कहाँ पे है register? Can you execute it one more time? Assemble it? Yes. Okay, now execute it. Okay. 7E and 87. Okay.
Here's 7E.
7E? Yes, correct.
Stored in H. And here's F8. Stored in
F8 is where you had stored? Yes, register L. Correct. Very good, Jay. Then, just do one thing, Jay. Instead of ADD, use ORA.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Michelle, can you share your screen now? Yes, Michelle. Done?
No, ma'am.
You are doing? Oh, okay.
I've just separate the numbers.
Okay. So now 98 and 23 is your numbers, right? Now just what I'm asking to you is 98 and 23. You had separated 90 and 08, right? Tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
the registers where you had stored this.
Sorry?
आपने कहाँ पे 90 और 08 स्टोर किया है? Just tell me the registers.
No, I've just separated 09 and 20.
You had separated 09 and
09, 20 and 03.
09. Just a minute. 09 कैसे separate कर दे? Okay. So ultimately you are expecting your result is 38 and 29, right?
No, ma'am. I'm getting different 28 and 90.
No, but your result must be 38 and 29. That's why I'm telling you first separate, don't rotate, right? First separate, simply first rotate, separate your nibbles, right? Rotate करने की अभी इतनी जल्दी मत करो. Okay. Now just tell me कि आपने 98 में से 90 और 8 को separate किया, वो कहाँ पे डाला है?
98 or
90 or 08? 90 is in register B, right?
yes, yes,
And 08?
it's remaining.
हाँ तो वो पहले मुझे सेपरेट करके दो, राइट? 20 एंड 03, 90 एंड 08. फिर आप यू वांट टू एक्सचेंज योर निबल इन क्रोस, राइट? तो आपको जहाँ पे 90 है उसको 09 करना है एंड जहाँ पे 3 है उसको 30 करना है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, ma'am.
अक्यूमुलेटर में अभी आपका 3 है, उसको आपको 30 करना है और जहाँ पे 90 है दैट यू नीड टू रोटेट 4 टाइम्स एंड दैट विल बिकम 09. देन यू हैव टू कंबाइन, राइट? ओके,
Yes.
just do that and then share your code. Okay, done. Okay. Roshi, can you share your screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Nine zero two zero 08.
What is your number? 80 and 87. What is your number, Roshi?
Yeah. 998.
59 and 84, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So after execution, it should be 49 and 85.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it so? Are you getting the result?
I just written it. I didn't actually perform it.
Okay. So the procedure should be clear to you. 59 में से separate 50 and 09. 84 में से separate 80 and 04. Alright? फिर जो आपका 50 है उसको 5 में कन्वर्ट करो और जो 4 है उसको 40 में कन्वर्ट करो, राइट? देन कंबाइन इट विथ 9 and 5 अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके? Okay, just yes, 59 and 84. Yes. So let us check whether are you getting the result or not. 59. Yes, move ahead. Next. Yes, 5 is separated. आपको आपने 50 को 5 में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. That's right.
अब 84 को.
But one mistake you did ना. देखो आप एंडिंग ऑपरेशन करोगे ना, उसका रिजल्ट आपका अक्यूमुलेटर में रहेगा. That you are rotating. Is it so?
Yes.
Okay. You want to make 50, right? That's it. Okay.
अभी 40 कर दिया, मतलब
Correct.
0 कम करके उसको 40 कर दिया और उसको C में डाल दिया.
Okay.
अभी वापस H पेयर को एक्यूमुलेटर में लिया और अभी 0 को मैं करूँगा, मतलब ठीक है.
Correct.
9 और C को एक जगह और करके उसको वापस ईमेल आईडी
Correct.
सेम विथ 84 done 59 and 84 exchange 49 85
So result is 85 and 49. That's you are storing in B and C, right? Correct. Correct, Rushi. You are getting the result. Good. Right. Right. Okay. Now you can paste your code here.
yes ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Michelle, done. Okay. You can paste your code here. Ronak, done. Anand, Janish. Janish, can you share your screen? Yes. Janish. Okay. Anand. Anand, you had written same code like Michelle और कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. दिस अ कोड ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 20-25 लाइंस, उसमें आपने सब कुछ सेम किया, ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है. आनंद, अनम्यूट एंड टॉक. You did it by yourself?
No, ma'am, half portion I have done.
Then why you are pasting someone else code? हैं? जितना हुआ है आप अपना करो ना. अपना आपने आपने 2 लाइन भी अपने लिखे तो 2 लाइन पेस्ट करो, राइट? Why we are pasting someone else code? Because that is not possible with this code कि किसी ने भी सही सेम लिखा हो, right? Do your code. Janish did it. Sakshi. Okay. Just Michal, आपने जहाँ पे ADD लिखा है वहाँ पे ORA कर दो. Michal, are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Mehfooz, Faisal, Prachi, Margi,
Yes,
are we
ma'am.
doing?
Yes.
Are you doing or what? What is happening? Understanding the point? So, student, if you know how to exchange your nibble in crows, right? Almost each and every concept is included here. आपको मास्क भी करना पड़ेगा, आपको रोटेट भी करना पड़ेगा, आपको कंबाइन भी करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो 3 or 4 concept regarding this group is included in one program. So I hope this is clear. Yes or no? Ronak, can you share your screen? Ronak? Okay, Anand. कितने लाइन्स किए? जो शेयर योर स्क्रीन. Students, can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear me, Jay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So those who done with this code will do. Suppose if I am having a data like 56 and 94, for example, if I am having this data, I want to make it 59. This nibble I want to exchange. Are you getting me? 59 and 64. Right? Just try to do this. Those who done with this code will take only 2 minutes to do this. Remaining student will take the time. right? Now instead of this higher nibble of first number and lower nibble of second number, we want to exchange lower nibble of first number and higher nibble of second number, right? Just do this. जिन लोग ने ऑलरेडी प्रोग्राम किया है, they will only take 2 minutes to do this. Done? Jai Joshi, Mishal. Yes. Mishal, are you getting what we want to do now?
Yes, ma'am.
करेक्ट. आपके कोड में सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. Those who done with the code, just only register you need to change. Rushi, are you getting the point? Now इसका lower nibble लेना है, इसका higher nibble लेना है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Done with Rushi. So Jay, what is your result now? Is it 8F and E7? Jay? Is it 8F and E7? With your code, Jay, what is your result? Final result?
E7 and 8.
8F and E7, right? Correct. Vishal, your number is 556 and 94. So it should be what is your result, Nishal?
5964.
Correct. 59 and 64. Roshi 59 and 84. So, what is the result, Roshi? Is it 58 and 94? Yes, student. So I hope now this thing is clear to everyone. Right? Three, four more important points here in this group. Before this, we are not even able to deal with any bits or nibbles, right? हम लोग को लॉजिकल इंस्ट्रक्शन से पहले जितने भी एरिथमेटिक और डेटा ट्रांसफर ग्रुप वे डिस्कस वी कैन नॉट डील विद द बिट्स राइट बट हियर यू कैन ऑब्जर्व अगर आपको निबल को इफ यू वांट टू मास्क यू कैन मेक इट मास्क यू कैन मेक इट जीरो if you want to exchange it you can exchange it right so that's why this particular group is known as bit manipulation group too right it is a logical group and bit manipulation so even if you'll observe our experiment list here the task that is available here in this group the first two was related to बिट मैनिपुलेशन इसमें हम लोग ने इंस्ट्रक्शन बेसिक इंस्ट्रक्शन को एग्जीक्यूट करके वेट ऑब्जर्व हियर इट विल ऑब्जर्व वेट परफॉर्म मास्किंग ऑपरेशन right then we had observed a shifting related operation with 8-bit data as well as 16-bit data right 8-bit data को shift करके what we conclude here कि अगर मैं कोई भी 8-bit data if I'll consider if I'll rotate it 4 times I'm able to exchange my nipples right 16-bit operation we want to check for the it is not always necessary that with 8-bit processor we can perform 8-bit operation only so that's why we are keeping here task number 4 which is related to shifting of 16-bit number but here to understand it to take the data 16-bit number to understand how this 16-bit rotation can be take place we had rotated only 1 bit but here we had rotated it by 4 bit to check how can we exchange the nibbles right so if you are able to understand your last task no student that how to exchange the nibbles in rows all this task related to this is included there in that particular task right so I hope this discussion is clear any doubt student in this experiment yes or no now again as I discussed the procedure will remain same to upload you need to write here memory location instruction and hex code after completion you need to write a conclusion just separate from it from lab manual this task experiment number 4 separate कर लो सारे टास्क फिलअप करके कंक्लूजन लिख के यू नीड टू अपलोड इट ऑन टू द गूगल क्लासरूम एनी लास्ट पॉइंट टू डिस्कस हियर इन दिस एनीवन इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
okay only one student it is clear is it clear student task all 4 tasks regarding your experiment number 4 okay so make sure you will upload yes make sure you will upload on time right I'll explain this particular code of exchanging the nibbles in the cross in class also one time but वहाँ पे थोड़ा बड़ा ग्रुप होता है so it is not always possible to interact individually where here it is possible so I hope this discussion is clear right so today we will keep up to this only in next lab we want to focus on the branch related instruction before that if possible in our class in our theory session we'll start our branching jumping related instruction then probably by next Monday we can focus on our experiment number 5 right So basic things related to branch operation, we want to combinedly, we want to discuss in class, and then our experiment number 5 we'll discuss here in web. Any last point to discuss? Anyone? Yes or no?